Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing one of my mac and cheese recipes with you. So first we're going to grab 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese, or you could get around a pound of macaroni and cheese, and grab 2 bars of cheese. If you want more, that's your preference, but then you're going to grate your cheese. I like to put mine in the processor. Do it any which way that you like. In the meantime, make sure that your macaroni is boiling in a pot of salted water. Strain it and set it aside when it's done. Now in a pot, a small pot, you will add some milk and warm it up, okay? I'm using evaporated milk here, 1 can, and I'll put that on the stove to warm. Into my pot, I'll also add half a cup of pasta water. Always save your pasta water, people. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and you could add more here if you like. 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. I love yellow mustard, but you can use Dijon mustard, that's fine. 6 tablespoons of butter in a separate pot. You will melt it. Do not burn your butter, just gradually melt it. Then add a quarter cup of flour. Make a roux, is that what they call it? A white sauce. Okay, add the mixture that you had with your warm milk into this pot where you put your flour and your butter into. Add a teaspoon of salt, and salt and put the heat to your liking. Okay, as much salt as you want, go crazy, but this 1 teaspoon is a good place to start. A couple of stems of scallion. I like green. I like to see the green bits in my mac and cheese, so that's what I do. If you don't like anything else in it, don't put it. Add the cheese gradually. At this point your stove should be off. Wash your hands, people. This is a serious time. Okay, I'm using the same pot I boiled it in, and I'm gonna add all my nice juicy creaminess, everything into that pot of macaroni. 9 by 13 pan. Add your macaroni and cheese. I layer some more cheese on top. And I'm using breadcrumbs here, but it's homemade. You could use panko or store-bought. Just sprinkle a little bit on top there. I'm going in with more scallion. I like to see that on my macaroni and cheese. I'm sprinkling some Parmesan cheese here, but if you have fresh Parmesan cheese to put there, it's really better. Smoked paprika, just a dash, into the oven, 375, 20 to 25 minutes. I don't believe in cooking it too long because everything has already been cooked, but it's your choice. And here you have it, my favorite cheesy macaroni and cheese. Use this on your Thanksgiving table. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. Bye!